Hi guys, welcome back YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you're all fine. Today we'll see in this video lovely viewer will see in this videos modern landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas. Today we'll see in this videos modern garden decorations ideas in 2025. These are my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring this videos till the end. We will see in this videos top creative and trending modern garden decorations ideas, landscaping designs. So I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Lovely viewer, you will see in these videos attractive and trending landscaping ideas, landscaping designs. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos till the end. You will see in these videos modern garden decorations ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Watch my full videos and enjoy all very attractive and trending garden decoration designs. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. We'll see in these videos modern landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. So guys, I might suggest you just keep on watching these videos till the end. Today we'll see in these videos modern and stylish unique landscaping ideas. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. If you like my videos, so viewers downloaded my videos, and you like this one top stylish and trending landscaping ideas, garden decorations ideas, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas while exploring these videos till the end. These are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. I always try to bring more useful videos and more useful content for you guys. Many more beautiful ideas, so I will meet you